Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to block AI bots from crawling your Squarespace website. This is squarespace.com website, and to stop AI companies from scrapping or crawling your Squarespace site, first log in to your account by filling your email address and password. From this page, click on this website button below your desired website. Then click on this little settings icon and scroll down to crawlers. If you want to become a pro on Squarespace, I recommend you joining my university today for free in order to get access to this Squarespace online course. Inside this course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with Squarespace, how to design and customize your website, also some advanced customization and features, so how to optimize for your website for mobile and user experience, how to manage and maintain your website, and also advanced tips and best practices. To get access to this Squarespace online course for free today, plus all of these online courses and also the upcoming free courses in my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. Now check these two options in order to block search engine crawlers and also known artificial intelligence crawlers. After that, click on save. And just like that, a do not crawl instruction is added to your Squarespace website. And most well-known companies will respect this rule. That was all for this video. Don't forget to give it a like and also subscribe.